Hi. So I haven't had a YouTube/internet crisis, and there's nothing better for views and clickbait than a crisis. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to cut all my hair off and not tell nobody. The only one who's gonna know is my mom, because my mom's friend is doing it, but I'm gonna cut all my hair and not tell anybody. I'm talking early 2000s Britney Spears, gone. Okay, I'm gonna insert pictures of what I want, but basically my hair is so dead and it's so damaged, and I tried to shave half of it in the back to start over, and now those curls are different than these curls, and just look at it. What is it doing? Someone explain this, what it's doing to me. So I'm just gonna start all over. I'm just gonna go for it. I tried to do good makeup. It's weird. So, you know, if it looks bad, at least the face is beat. And I know y'all probably like, what the heck is that? A bitch got her nose pierced. You know, I've been doing a lot. I'm gonna insert it because you know I filmed it for y'all. So if you're scared of needles like me, don't watch this next part, okay? Here it is. Oh.
Oh yeah, you're a champ.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you. That was not bad at all.
Oh.
She living fast and crazy or whatever. So yeah, it kind of looks like metal boogers for right now because you can't really see it. But I'm edgy. I'm living my life. I'm gonna go get some Starbucks, get my hair shaved off, get some reactions, maybe get my nails done because that's the tea. I don't know. I was trying to be funny and like quirky because that's like the trend, you know. Okay, bye. Let's go. Y'all, I'm trying the new Ariana Grande non-vegan cloud thing. I'm so excited. I got a grande because it's Ariana's drink, so you have to get a grande, duh. Y'all, it looks so cool. Okay, let's try it. Weird but good. It's very light. Probably the whipped eggs, but it's really good. Ari, I'm sorry. I honestly thought your drink was really gross. Now that I'm super late to go get my hair done because I was trying to get this coffee for forever, let's go.
Yeah, but she said she freaked out because they invited her to the second interview.
Hey everyone. So she completely washed all my makeup off, so I had to redo it before, but here's the finished look. To be honest, I wasn't sure how I felt about it because it kind of was not what I asked for. But to be fair, she told me that in order to do what I wanted to do, I'd have to relax my hair, aka put chemicals in my hair, because I'd have to be straightening it all the time in order to get it to do that. She also said since I know literally nothing about my hair, it's probably not a good idea. So she did this. It is cute. I feel a little bit like a mom. So I'm like, but I'm not gonna go too hard with it because I know that any big change that happens, you probably just have to get used to it. Maybe I can just be Betty Boop. Yes? No? Okay. I'm just gonna wait for Bae to come home now. Literally, by the time we got home, I didn't have time to go do my nails. I didn't even have time to get my friend reactions because It's 5:50 and Bae comes home at 6. So, yeah, I didn't have time to really do much. I'm kind of feeling it in this light though. I don't know. I have to get used to it, but it's cute. It was definitely better than, I wouldn't say better than my other hair, but like I didn't know how to take care of my hair before. So maybe now that it's short, I can learn how to take care of it, manage it a little better, you know. But Bae's about to come home. We're gonna get his reaction. I actually stopped and got 2 wigs because I was like, I don't like it. But now that I have makeup on, it looks good. I'm gonna show you the wigs real quick, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one of the wigs on so that Bae thinks that's how I got my hair cut. And then I'm gonna take the wig off and be like, ha, surprise, motherfucker! This is my actual hair. Ha! Prank! Alright, let's check out the wigs. I'm honestly a little bit worried about these wigs because I don't wear wigs. They have lace on them, so girl, I don't know nothing about that. So this is the first one. I like it because I really like this blush pink color. I think it looks really pretty with my skin tone. I don't have a wig cap or anything because I'm an unprofessional person, you know, what can I say? And we're just getting a rough idea. Okay, obviously when I do actually wear it, I'm gonna make it look a lot better, okay? This is actually so cute. So this is like the idea, okay? This is so cute. I'm feeling it. Who? You get the limo out front. Had a style, every shoe, every color. What was her brother's name? I'm not Hannah Montana. I don't know her. Bitch, I love this. It looks so pretty with my skin tone. My skin tone. Can't talk today. It looks really pretty. I don't want to take her off. I love her. Yeah, y'all gonna see me in this one quite a bit, okay? She is cute. This is not the one I'm gonna wear when he comes in because it's longer. So obviously he'd be like, how did you grow more hair? What? This is the one and she's fine. This is the one, and honestly, I might not even be able to do it because it has the lace, and I've never cut lace. I don't know how to do that. Why is this to the side? What? So this one I thought was really, really cool. Maybe I can just tuck the lace in? Nah, hell no. But yeah, this is a half and half wig, which I thought was so cool and like so cute. I'm actually gonna go in the bathroom and see if I can like find a way to pull this one off, cause this one is so cool. Oh my god, he's here! Fuck! I have lace sticking out! Yo! Shit! Okay, okay. Oh my god, okay. I'm freaking out! The lace is totally sticking out, but it's okay because I'm just gonna take it off anyway. Let's see what happens.
Hello there.
Hi.
Look at you.
Do you like it?
I fucking love it.
You love it?
Oh.
Got him!
Okay. That looks even better.
You like it?
Yeah, turn around. I love it.
You love it?
You look beautiful.
Oh, I don't know, I hated it at first because I was like, I look like Betty Boop.
No,
But
you look really good with it.
yay!
Look at you.
On camera, you've been pranked.
Oh no.
Because I was like, the lace is sticking out and I don't know what to do, but I was like, I'm gonna pull the wig off and be like, hi, wig, you got pranked. Yeah, my mom loves it, but I'm like, that further just backs up that I look like a mom or like Betty Boop.
Not even.
She was cutting it off and she was like, did you tell your boyfriend? Does he know? I was like, no, because I'm gonna prank him.
Okay, so that explains a few things.
I've been pranked. Wait, no. Okay, while you're here and you're being such a good sport, I have another wig. Because I went to the wig store and I was like, I hate it. So I got wigs. But then I put makeup on and I was like, I love it. But you can't return the wigs because they've been on your nasty head. So no, you can't bring them back.
No.
I'm not good at doing things with wigs, okay? I don't wear them.
I like this one too.
Yeah? Yay! Alright.
You better work.
That's it. That's the tea. If you made it all the way here. Oh wait, honestly, I don't know why I did this. It's such a huge mistake. Alright, somebody give me an Oscar. That's my clickbait. That's what I'm gonna put in the promo, and everyone's gonna be like, wow, Biss, what does she do?
Someone give her a Grammy.
Grammys for music, but I'll take one of those too. Ow, okay, I'm hungry. That's pretty much it. I'm just pretty much hungry, so if I get reactions from my friends, I'll put them in now. If not, you might as well subscribe because you made it all the way through my little crisis. Alright, so just do it. I want ice cream. Can we get ice cream?
Sure.
We getting ice cream. I'll see you next video.